Welcome to Hommie, where quality meets customization. As a leading sunroom manufacturer, we pride ourselves on delivering factory-direct, tailor-made sunrooms designed to enhance your living space. At Hommie, we offer a variety of sunroom styles to suit your personal taste and home's architecture. Whether you prefer sleek modern lines, timeless classics, or a blend of both, our sunrooms are crafted to perfection. Our sunrooms are meticulously constructed using premium materials and the latest technology. Every unit is customizable to meet your specific needs, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. From design to installation, we handle every step with professional care. Imagine basking in natural light, enjoying panoramic views, and expanding your living space seamlessly. A Hommie sunroom transforms your home, creating a versatile area perfect for relaxation, entertainment, and everything in between. Discover the Hommie difference today. Visit our website or contact us to start designing your dream sunroom. Hommie, where your vision becomes reality.